everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. So what is in store for you today? So if you have seen any of my earlier videos, I did say I have been shopping a lot online during quarantine. It's been months and I've activated several new subscription boxes. One of them is Keto Krate. I gotta make sure I don't show my address and stuff. But Keto Krate is a monthly subscription box. It is $39.99. I pay for it out of my own pocket. I'm not getting any kickback. This is not free or promoted. But Keto Krate, if you want to sponsor me, I would love it. Hook a girl up. Email me. Will be linked down below. I would appreciate it. So this is my second month of Keto Krate. The first month I found like my new favorite low carb bars. They were delicious. It was like a raspberry lemonade and a strawberry bar, and they were like 2 carbs. So let me talk about keto real quick. So my husband and I are doing like a variation of keto. We're not counting macros. We're basically doing keto / low carb. Like I don't know, you can call it so many different things, but basically he's trying to keep his carbs between 20 and 30 net carbs per day. And I am more on the 30 to 40 carbs per day because I am not as strict and I am going to enjoy life. But here's the big news. So we started this in March. It is now July. We have been exercising. We bought bicycles. So it's not just diet, but we have changed our diet. We cook a lot. And we're exercising. I am down 14 pounds myself, which I am super excited for, and I can see it in my videos. My face is still chubby bunny, but not as chubby as it was. But my husband is down 44 pounds. He is doing amazing. I'm so proud of him. So between the two of us, we're really kicking some low carb butt. And I found some great snacks that were in here that we were able to buy and purchase. And one of them was like those bars I told you about. And then another was this really good beef jerky. Let me go ahead and open this. It was this really good beef jerky. I don't eat pork, but there were these pork rinds in the first box and Dan loved them. So anything that's pork, I just give it to him. The only thing is you can't specify if you say you don't eat pork, there's no option for anything like that. But each month they give you this little booklet and it talks about different things. A lot of times they have recipes and promos for different products and things like that. I don't usually read it, but it's included. So let's see what's in here. This is a Rome stick. It is uncured bacon. So this will go to Dan. It is a sausage. So that is right up for him. With it being $39.99 a month, I don't remember what they say as far as like how many, like what value you're supposed to get. I don't think they really say that. They do have a member only shop that you can go to. You have to log in. For some reason my login's not working, or I do a screen share, and you can buy additional products that have come in the boxes if you are a keto member. You can cancel or pause your subscription at any time as well. So these are pumpkin seed and kale Gorilla Goods. So like I said, Dan is 20 to 30 carbs. I'm about 30 to 40. So for example, just to give you an idea, this pack is 12 grams of protein and the total amount of carbs is actually 3. So this whole little pack is 3 carbs. Not bad at all. Ooh, premium Virginia artisan peanuts, sea salt and vinegar. Now, I do like nuts. They're not always a low carb treat, so you got to be careful when you're on low carb. So how I calculate the net carbs, let me kind of zoom in. So this is total carbs is 5 and dietary fiber is 2. So you subtract the 5 from 2. So it's 3 carbs for 1 ounce, which is this entire container. So I definitely want to try that. That sounds yummy. Ooh, protein puffs, brick oven pizza flavored. Oh my gosh. These sound delicious. I love cheesy puffs. You love cheesy puffs. And these are 2 carbs for the whole bag. So that's what I like about Keto Krate is sometimes they give you stuff you can't normally find in stores or that are like exclusive like companies online. Sometimes there's a lot of small businesses in here, which I appreciate. I will say that when I've gone to order other stuff that came in the Keto Krate, it's not cheap. But eating healthy is not cheap, I've found. Yes, you can save money by making it yourself, but sometimes when you find something so delicious and you just have to have it, you're willing to pay for it. This one is a cakewalk, birthday cake and sprinkles. Okay, so this one is 3 carbs for the whole cookie. Awesome. I wonder how that is. And then, ooh, see, I like that they include stuff like this. I got another mix before. This is a blueberry pancake low carb baking mix. Good D's, still sweet. See what I mean? Like, I've never heard of a lot of these brands, and I think a lot of them are just available online. They do say, please try our other mixes, so they must have other options. I'm not a big pancake person. I do like waffles, so I think we can try to make some of this stuff in the waffle maker. This one is Hecka Good Foods. I've heard of them, but I actually have never had it. It's a keto bar, white chocolate raspberry, 2 net carbs. And I'm a snacker, so just kind of talking about our low carb journey. Dan has been doing fasting. He works nights, so he doesn't go to work till 5 p.m. So he doesn't usually eat until like 6 p.m. and then he cuts it off by 3 a.m. because he goes to bed about 5, 6. And I was like, I can't do fasting. I like to eat like a mid-morning. I like to eat around like 10, 11. So I just started fasting just within the last week. And so I don't eat lunch until like noon, 1 o'clock. And then I cut off my eating by 8 p.m. So I think it's helping because I did drop 2 more pounds in a week. So I feel like that made a difference. Now this is Zone Perfect White Chocolate Coconut Keto Burn Body Fat. It's like I don't know if it's a protein shake. I don't like coconut. And especially anything that tastes overly coconutty. So I don't know if we'll use that. What is this? Oh, Simply Delish Vanilla Instant Pudding Natural. Yummy. Okay, that's different. And then last but not least, we have, oh, and I do love beef jerky. It's such a great and easy snack. So this is Carne Original Beef Jerky. 0 grams of total carbs per serving. And since this is a resealable pack, I'm going to go ahead and taste test this. What I've found with keto is sometimes the beef jerky, even though it's 0 carbs, it is, like, it's not the best because it's usually not seasoned. I don't know what that, it just says beef water seasonings. Oh, sea salt, spices, and garlic. Yeah, this is actually really good. I like this. That's yummy. Let me show you that again. I like that one. It almost tastes like a dry, it literally tastes like dry steak. It's actually really good. I like that. Okay. I'm going to try something else for you guys. Let's try the peanuts. I know peanuts are peanuts, but sometimes you just never know. Let's try these. ASMR for some of you. Okay. Here's what it looks like inside. I smell the vinegar. I don't really taste the vinegar though. It's on it. I can smell it, but I don't really taste the vinegar. And I like vinegar. But, okay, there's like a subtle aftertaste of the vinegar. It doesn't get you right away, but you can smell the vinegar in the pack, but you don't really taste it until after you've chewed up the peanut. Well, I'm just going to throw these in a Ziploc bag, and these are a great little treat. I'm very, very happy with that. Okay, now I want to try these protein puffs. Now, I've had protein puffs where there's a weird aftertaste. Listen. Who loves packages opening? So I wonder if these will have that. Let's take a little looky-see inside. Oh, come on. They're just little bowls. It smells like a pizza, like a pizzeria. Those are pretty good. I love cheesy puffs. You love cheesy puffs. What I like about these is they don't have the weird aftertaste. I don't know how to describe the aftertaste, but with protein stuff, sometimes there's this like weird aftertaste. I don't know what the flavor is, but it just kind of tastes a little like grimy in your mouth. It tastes more like marinara-y. I like these. I would purchase these. I wonder, Shrewd Food Co. Never heard of them, but they have a website. I'll have to check them out because those are good protein puffs. I'm happy with that. Okay. And then let's just do it. Let's break into the cookie and try it. I mean, okay, now this one is high. It's total carbs are 17, dietary fibers are 5. Oh, okay. So then it's got 9 grams of sugar alcohol. So that's how you're able to get the lower carbs. Let me show you that. So all in the process of things. So let's open it up. Oh, it's falling apart. See what it looks like? It looks like a sugar cookie. It's crumbly, which is great. Okay, let's go for this. It's moist.
That's what she said.
I taste vanilla. Yeah, it tastes like vanilla cake. Holy crap. There's no weird aftertaste. Wow, I'm surprised. That was a surprise and shock, a surprise. Because it's moist, because a lot of times these are dry. And it's got like a crust, like a normal cookie. It's got a crust on the outside and it's soft in the middle. And it tastes like cake batter, and that's what it's supposed to be, a cakewalk, birthday cake with sprinkles. Oh my God, that is actually really good. And this is by the cookie department. No artificial ingredients, palm oil free, macro friendly, non-GMO, and low glycemic. I love cookies so much. So now I want to check this out and see if they have other flavors because I just want a peanut butter cookie while on keto. And I have tried some peanut butter cookies that are low carb and they're disgusting. I won't even eat them. Okay, now I want to try this Hecka Good Foods Keto Bar. And like I said, I've heard of them, but I've never bought anything from them. So their carbs are 24. They have 6 dietary fiber carbs and 3 sugar alcohol. So, and this is the serving size is 1. So I'm going to just open her up. Try to, oh, this is different. Look at this. That's a weird kind of bar. Looks very molassesy, and when I see stuff like that, I don't know. Let's try it. It's white chocolate raspberry, so I'm letting the flavors marinate. I taste the white chocolate, I taste the raspberry, but there's another taste to it. It's like that, I don't know if you guys, if I'm crazy or if you know what I'm talking about. It's like a molassesy taste, but like a burnt molasses. I don't know how else to describe it. It's actually not bad. Let me take another bite. I'm just like, meh about it. It's not bad. I would eat it. I don't know if it's something I would seek out though. I would have to try other flavors by them. So leave me a comment below. What's your favorite low carb or favorite keto treat or even just, you know, healthy treat? I love exchanging recipes. I love hearing about other things. Oh, and if you didn't know, I'm giving away a $10 Amazon gift card. And here's the perfect time for you to use it because maybe you want to buy one of these on Amazon. So, dun, 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 code is right up here. First one who gets it goes to Amazon, types in the code, you get it for free. So, happy day to you. Okay. This instant pudding though, this I'm surprised. It's 10 carbs, 1.7 dietary fiber, and 4 grams of sugar alcohol. And that's for 1/4 a package, and there's 4 containers. So that is 5.3 carbs. That's a little high for me for a snacky, like for 1/4 of a package. So I don't know if I'll make this because I use non-sweetened almond milk. So maybe I'll try it. I don't know. But I am interested to try these blueberry pancake mix. Here's the close-up of it again. I want to see what else they have with their other mixes. And then I didn't try these because, I mean, I can. Organic, raw, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, hillside pumpkin seed, and kale. It's Gorilla Goods. Let's just open it up because I can just put these in Ziploc bags and put them in. Oh, it's spilling. Oh my God. Okay, I just got it all over my desk. Cool. Oh, okay. I taste pumpkin seed and kale, exactly what it says. Like, I don't taste, so there's onion in it, which I taste, cayenne, they're smoked. So there's not a lot of flavor in them. They're not bad. They're a good little fingy food. as I call them, finky food. All right, so I got some new snacks. I am definitely going to explore the cookie department and see what other cookie flavors they make, because I'm super impressed with this birthday cake. And I usually don't even just like birthday cake. I'm not a big cake person, but for me to like that, that's awesome. And these protein puffs, I definitely want to try out. So lots of good things to try. Again, the box is $39.99 a month. It's not sponsored, but I would love a sponsor, Keto Krate. Hook a sister up. My husband and I are proof that keto low carb works because we're losing weight. So take us on. Hint, hint. So I hope you enjoyed this video and me munching on some goodies and exploring keto and low carb with you. Again, leave me a comment below. What's your favorite recipe or favorite, like if you have a low carb like blogger or YouTuber that you watch, I would love to find out more information and get more recipes, because it gets hard cooking after a while when you cook all your meals. So you're always looking for something new. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you're not following me on social media, everything will be linked down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe and bell notification button so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.